Joe's got to cut the secret sauce out of the the video. I mean, literally all I'm.
No, that can't. You can't do it. What's up with this guy?
It's fucking. I don't know. Thank you. Stole Chris's fish. Right where he's been casting all day, and just took 3 or 4 drifts and got him no problem. What's wrong, Chris? Oh, it's a good one, dude. Actually a nice one. Oh man,
That might be the biggest fish of the day.
man, Chris, your fish is huge.
It actually might be.
Your fish is huge, Chris.
It's actually pretty big. I would very much like to land this. Got him. Nice.
Nice.
Good one.
Awesome. Sick.
This guy. Up.
You got him.
Oh, he's pissed.
There you go.
There you go. Yeah. Nice.
He's really pretty. No problem.
Oh, that's gorgeous. It's a big one.
Katie, when you net them, just make sure you're scooping that first. There we go.
Oh yeah. Hell yeah, dude, that's a fish.
Yeah, there we go.
Oh, now we're talking.
That's better. They want the chartreuse. Sick. Thank you, Katie.
Wow.
Ow, wait, don't move.
Oh.
I was caught in the fucking. No, you're good. That was my bad. Had to be short, but he's right.
Wow. So, in other words, you were wrong?
Oh, I didn't actually.
It's all a hoax. Fucking setup. Yeah.
Salmon River Special.
You got some room for error now. You can really blast
We're
it.
getting there.
What's the situation, boys?
This guy took a shit. He didn't drink water for 8 days. So hard, it was the exact shape of the pipe. I guess it corked it like a wine bottle.
Just shit. No toilet paper. Fucking clogged.
He doesn't even wipe his ass when he goes to the bathroom.
soaking wet.
This wasn't the type of float I was hoping to see sink today.
Man, you guys suck.
It's a 2-plunger job.
You ain't getting your deposit back.
Double
for this
fisting.
Airbnb. Quick burst.
You gotta get the action shot. You can get the slow-mo.
My legs were moist.
How are you feeling?
Defeated. that my line broke. This is a shitty fucking knot.
This is what you had it on?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, it wasn't your line. Look, he got you on a rock.
I feel better about that. That's exactly what. That's
Yeah.
a rock right there?
Yeah, that's a rock.
Fucking shadow.
No, that's a rock. So he probably fucking took it, and then he probably just went down and probably. It's probably how you got fucked. So you had
I
one.
had a fish on.
Yeah, you had,
I had
a fish on. Yeah, you had one on. Good.
Nick, I can't think and I don't know what I'm doing.
You got one? I fucking set his shit up and he hooks one on the first cast. No, you got him. I just keep pumping him. Oh, there he is. Yeah, yeah, you got him. You got him good.
Oh, it's a tank! Oh man! Such relief.
I got you.
Oh fuck yeah! Now
Amazing. That's right. All right. You want to? Oh yeah, the sun's coming this way. I would just, yeah, you got him. Sorry, kitty. You got a bunch of good ones, yeah.
All right.
Cool.
Hell yeah.
Dude, awesome.
Oh, about time. Give her what you just gave me because it worked immediately.
What is it?
Okay.
First cast.
I don't know. I use. I'm coming. Nice. Got it. Yeah. Use the orange one.
Woo! Number 2. Oh yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah, don't bite me. Stop biting and slashing me. Why are you doing that?
Coming through, guys. Sorry. Missed one net job. He's here. Come on. Oh, I just landed this thing. Fuck you guys. Look at that fish. Wow. I just landed that. First cast, baby. Look at that. Inside of the mouth. Right where it should be. Don't bite me. Easy, big girl. Easy.